Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to replace an EGR solenoid in our 1993 Corvette with the LT1. Already removed the plastic cover here. It covers up the injectors and everything on this side of the engine. Looks just like the plastic one on this side. So, this is the solenoid. That's the EGR valve. I've already replaced that in a previous video. But I already have the part here, so we're going to replace this as well. Maybe it'll make a difference, maybe it won't. If it doesn't make a difference, I'll return it. But if it does make a difference, well, then I guess I'll keep it. So, here's what we got going on. The first thing you need to do is unplug this vacuum line from the EGR valve itself. So you lift up, and then you'll have this part clear of the nipple on the valve. Then you're able to pull forward gently enough to clear these two things off of these barbed nipples, as you can see right there. Now from here, you could, if you're so inclined, pull this out of the way to give you a little more room here. Move that out of the way if I can. Alright, so now we can unplug the electrical connector here. So we're going to lift up and then kind of finagle it out. Got it. Alright. And then I believe that's going to be a 14 mil holding that. So let's try 14 mil. Yep, I think that's it. Very good. So we are now out with the old solenoid. New solenoid looks identical. So we'll just put that right there. Alright, gotcha. Now, cross-threading it, we'll just try to gently start it with this tool here. Seems to be going. Alright, I think we're good. Well, this thing's not moving too much. Nope, not really. Okay, let's plug it back in. And then slide this on. Got it. And then we will put this one on the EGR itself. Bam. Okay. I think we're good. Let's go ahead and start her up. See how she does. Seems okay. Guess the only way to find out would be to drive it around. But we're going to consider this a successful repair. I guess the next and final video on this is just going to be how to clear the codes at your OBD1 using these buttons and your screen here. After that, I think we're golden. So, alright. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.